Cristian Fernandez. Hello, my name is Creeper. I'm 13 years old. I come from Minecraft. I've got a mother and a father, 10 brothers and 2 sisters. I've got big mouth. I don't have a nose. I have red and black eyes. I've got a green hair. I've got a black mouth. I don't have hair. I've got a green body. I don't have arms. I don't have hands. I don't have fingers. I've got 4 legs and 4 feet. I am good at making people explode and killing people, but I'm not good at tennis and killing enemies.
Damián Baldovino. Hi, my name is Hula Hula. I am 50 years old. I come from Mongolia. I've got a father and a mother, 1 sister and 6 brothers. I've got short green hair. I've got 2 ears. I've got 2 round eyes, 2 lips. I've got 4 arms and 2 hands. On each hand I have got 5 fingers. I've got 1 leg and 1 foot. Toes and nails. I'm good at swimming, but I'm not good at football or ping pong.
Daniel Moya. Hello, my name is Mr. Baby. I come from Raw. I've got 2 sisters. My mom's 100 years old and my dad 101 years old. I've got 1 fire hair on my head. My head is big. I've got 2 manga eyes. I've got a green triangular nose because my skin is green. I've got 4 white teeth. I've got 2 slim eyebrows. My body is smaller than the head. I've got 1 eye on the belly and my body is green. I've got 4 legs and 4 feet. My hands are smaller. I'm good at football and dancing, and I'm not good at singing and swimming. I like baseball and I love dancing. I hate skiing and hockey.